and jobber.
I was dreaming a dream that couldn't come true. Study hard, get a good job, save up, get married and buy a house, change my life around. But the bitter conclusion is that my company will not be responsible for my life. There are too many things I want to do for me to dedicate my soul to my work just to see small numbers in my bank account. Okay, let's get end jobs instead. There are more and more end jobbers between workers of age 20 to 40. What is an end jobber? N stands for prefix for multiple, job literally meaning job, and the suffix er to mean someone who has multiple jobs. To make up for the insufficient salary from the main job, to pursue self-realization, some to explore a new field they were always interested in. If you look closely, there are many different reasons for having end jobs. End jobbers who go to work at the same time as leaving work. End jobbers who wake up their sub-characters on weekends or holidays for a new job. There are also high-end end jobbers who has a job but also run their own stores. World where your monthly salary is the only income has come to an end. Let's imagine then, what if there was another stable source of income aside from my job? First thing that comes to mind is a golden spoon. Forget about real estate rental income, which is only possible in a faraway land. What if I could create a system where money flows into my bank account without my labor? Money flowing into my wallet like a pipeline. We need to get out of the trap in which labor time and money must be exchanged. Build a pipeline that generates a steady income regardless of labor time. Income from system, not from labor. This will enrich our future and allow us to lead independent lives.
Network marketing revenue structure is just like this. Network marketing is a platform that connects the best supplier with numerous consumers. And the created added value is shared among platform owners and participants. If you compete with general distribution companies with high quality and low price products, you can gain tremendous value by adding connectivity, a unique advantage of network marketing.
Atomy is smart. The essence of which the concept of network marketing was born? Distribution to consumers providing good products at reasonable prices. We put this into practice, thinking we can be a sustainable company only by keeping this value. Atomy sells daily necessities, and the consumers of those necessities join Atomy as members. You can buy good quality products at a low price. How simple. It's even more surprising to learn what Atomy chairman Han-gil Park said. Atomy prioritizes on providing good products at a low price to our members. Atomy prevents members from buying products unreasonably. Our message is, try it yourself, and if you like the product, recommend it to other consumers. As the consumer base that trusts and buys Atomy products grow, we are able to acquire or retain loyal customers. It also means that more businesses will be successful soon.
Provide good products at low prices for the consumers. Stable sales channels for partners to provide driving force for the development of better products. Various rewards for businesses, sequentially and step by step, through one marketing connected globally. Atomy puts the success of consumers, partners, and businesses first, and considers it the purpose, not the mean. What do you think about a company with your success as its purpose?